Okay, so we got this one right here. Hopefully Warner Brothers don't get mad I did that. But, you know, I like my cartoon. They're number one. They're the best, bro.
Well, it has to do with cars. So.
Exactly. Was that enough butt kissing or what?
Yeah.
Because I did read the art of kissing butt, so.
You have to read up on that?
Yeah. I don't know how Doom goes.
Oh, no, some more foam.
Oh, but this ain't too bad, though. This ain't too bad. All right, so let me back this mother up.
Okay, so I do see.
Ooh.
Oh, that makes 3.
3, and I get to have this one.
Well, you didn't get any of the first 2, so what makes you think you get the third one?
Because you said. That's why you never.
Is it numbered?
1 out of 2,496.
Oh, but they don't put a number in.
No, I don't. I think they do. Is it lasered on? Before they used to laser it on.
I cannot see. Okay. It's in better focus, but I cannot see a number.
All right.
Let's see. Is it on the back, maybe? Oh, that's not even on camera. Nope, no numbers. Okay. But I do like, white with silver flame. That is nice.
That's a nice concept. Yeah. No,
You
Diamond Joe Man, it's mine.
You don't see that often.
And is this the same one? Ooh, yeah. Oh, wait.
No, it's not.
This one is different.
Yeah, it's a Camaro, 69 Camaro.
Oh, dude, there's no white lightning, huh? Oh, no. No, wait. It is the same.
It is the same one. I don't know.
Wait.
There's a little bit of difference in that.
Why does the rim
look different?
Yeah.
The rim on the front, on the second one, is a little bit smaller than center cap.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah.
You can't see both.
Can you see both on this?
Yeah. Yeah, but not very detailed. Not as.
Not like this.
Yeah.
Like that, and then.
You're gonna separate them.
Like that.
Yeah.
All right.
I don't know why.
All right. So we got that.
Could that be an error?
Maybe. Okay. So.
Oh.
Ooh. Root beer, bro. Chevelle.
Mendes. Another Johnny Lightning. How
Yeah.
are the cards so small?
Yeah, I don't know. This is weird. Well, I guess it's because it's a
Weekend of Wheels.
Yeah, it's a convention one, huh? Oh, look at that.
Oh, that should fit in a regular protector case.
Oh, hell yeah.
Or Sterling case.
And it's in good shape too, but it's a nice Malibu, bro.
Cool.
Oh, check it. All right. Ooh, I see one more. Is that a dupe? Oh, snap! V-Dub Bus 65. It was a 66. I'd have to limp out of here with it.
No, you'd be limping. Yeah. It's on.
I was trying to get the roof.
Yeah, it was on. I didn't even know they made a VW for a convention car.
This is nice, bro. I like this one. Oh, sweet.
How much you got so far?
2 more left, bro.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, you get one. Oh, yikes.
Wow, another Chevelle.
Yeah. Well, this one is number 1 and number 2.
Better.
Yeah, but you got Raleigh's root beer.
Is 4. Wow. The VW van is number 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, is 3 in there?
No. This next one is a Hot Wheel. Ooh, Wild Weekend.
I didn't get the 3?
No. Well, this is cool, though.
Another unpunched.
Oh, because it's a convention car, so they're not going to be on the pegs, John.
I realized that after
Yeah, we like to be dicks to each other. So look at that. The
Pretty
fool.
sure they get that from watching the What does it say on the door? Is that the Wild Weekend?
Does it say that?
Yeah, let me focus right there. Yep.
Wow.
Cool.
Wow, these are nice, dude. Let's see if there's any more. No.
So that is
Ooh, get one more. Wait, get one more. Get one more. One
that
more.
is the 10 pulls there.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Ah, now look at this one, Ra.
Oh, white Cheetos.
Yeah. Now this is nice. Oop.
Okay, break my light.
Oop.
Oh, let me do it again.
What the hell? I'm getting your luck, lad. Dropping stuff. Okay, so we got this one.
Yeah.
The Wild Weekend of Hot Wheels. All right.
Yep. And this one.
And this one, yeah. Okay.
And this one, a duplicate.
Dupe.
but I like it.
So what? I
I'll
mean,
take
this
it.
is still nice.
I'll take that. And
Yeah.
then we get the 70 Camaro. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Z28. This one is nice.
Nope, and it's in a case too.
Yep. And then we have the Skyline, which I've never seen.
I never see that one either. That's because someone keeps taking them and we don't have a chance to see it.
Yeah.
Got the white Malibu right here, which is a nice one from JL.
Look at those fat wheels on the back.
Yeah. Got the root beer one right here.
Yep.
Nice, nice.
Now I'm gonna hunt down the 3.
You're gonna have to now to make the set. VW bus. The 65, I think this is. No.
Yeah.
So yeah, 65.
Is that a 21 window?
1, 2, 3, 4. And the two
And-
toy cons,
2 toy cons.
which I get to keep one. I think. I hope. Yeah, 4.
3, huh? Oh no, 4.
Yeah, you got 4.
Son of a gun.
All right, so we're done here. Thanks for taking the time to.
Watch us.
I was trying to think of something witty, but I guess I'm too stupid to think of stuff witty. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to kick it with us. We appreciate it. We like you guys super plenty, and we know you like us hopefully a little bit. We are.
Hot Wheels Collectors, Hawaii.com.
And mucho mahalos for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys later. Yard.